Amid continued raids and violent cordon and search operations, people in occupied Kashmir observed yet another Eid ul-Azha under the brutal military siege in the territory. Even today, where the Muslims in South Asia were celebrating the Eid, Indian troops martyred one more Kashmiri youth in a fake encounter staged during a violent military operation in Aragam area of the Bandipora district. Indian Army, paramilitary and the police personnel continued their cordon and search operations and house raids in various districts including Kupwara, Doda, Riasi, Kathua, Samba, Rajouri and Poonch districts. Over 100 people have been arrested in these areas in the last few days. Additionally, the Indian Forces personnel have heightened the so-called security measures in Srinagar and other areas of the occupied territory ahead of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit on June 21. BJP-led Indian regime today disallowed the people to offer Eid ul-Azha prayers at the historic Eidgah as well as the Jamia Masjid in Srinagar city. The authorities locked the main gates of the Jamia Masjid and deployed Indian troops on the roads in Nohatta and several areas of the territory to thwart the pro-freedom protests. Occupation authorities placed senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq under house arrest in Srinagar and barred him from offering the Eid ul-Azha prayers at the Grand Mosque. APHC leadership in a statement issued in Srinagar expressed grave concern over the prevention of the Eid prayers at the Grand Mosque and the historic Eidgah, describing the New Delhi's measures as extremely painful and blatant interference in the religious matters of the Kashmiri Muslims. The leadership added that such measures highlight the ongoing restrictions and contradicts the authorities' claims of normalcy and peace in occupied Kashmir.